Good afternoon, everyone. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, okay. So everyone has done revision, factorization revision.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, I couldn't, sir. I sent a message also to you
What?
just half an hour before
What
on
is the
WhatsApp.
message? What
Like,
is the message?
could you please just start little, could you please
Okay,
brief
why?
a little,
Why?
sir?
My question is
Sir,
why you
I
have not
am
done the
not,
revision?
sir, I am in Chennai, sir. I don't have
Huh?
the 8th grade books.
So 8 book, so you have everything online. And all NCRT books are online available. You know it very well. And I told you also. I have sent as well 9th NCRT book. This is not the excuse, Vidyut. If you want to study, you would have studied it. If you don't want to study, there are thousands of reasons you can tell me why you have not studied. Okay. Thousands of books are there online. You could have told somebody else to send you the snapshot and you would have studied if you wanted to study. If you don't want to study, there's number of reasons you can give it. There is no limit for that. Okay, first 2D. So we did till question 20 yesterday. So now 20 till 22 we have solved your doubts. Between 21 to 26. Tell me, raise your hand. Yes, Deepika, which question?
So 25th.
25th. Okay. Anybody else?
So even 26th.
Even 26th.
Sir, 22nd.
Sir, I can't see the screen.
Yes. So 25th, 26th, right? Question. 25th, 26th. What is happening? Okay. Any other question?
22nd.
22nd. That's it. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt in like finding A and B.
Ending?
A and B, sir. Like those type of sums.
Which question? Between 21st to 26th, which question? Asha?
Sir,
Sir,
I
like
have a
if
doubt.
you explain one, sir, then I can do the rest.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, I
So,
have a doubt. I have a question.
tell me.
Sir, what's the difference between remainder theorem and factor theorem? What's the difference I'm asking?
Now you are asking. Now you are asking. Difference between remainder theorem, factor theorem. So you have not done anything na, in polynomials as of now, for except first two exercise. Ritvi, tell me fast.
Sir, what?
I asked if you don't know the difference between factor theorem and remainder theorem, so you would have not done last two exercise till now.
Sir, I did, sir.
How? When you don't know,
S-
how you did?
no, sir, I know what is like factor theorem and remainder theorem, but I just wanted to know the difference, sir.
What you know? You tell me what you know.
Sir, I can solve a question if you give.
You tell me what you know about factor theorem and what you know about remainder theorem.
Okay. Sir, in factor theorem, if like Px is given, and then there's a polynomial.
Px is given and there is a polynomial. Okay.
Yeah, and then we have to write like Gx is a binomial. then we have to,
It's not necessary it will be binomial.
no, if it is a binomial,
Hmm.
then we have to make like 0 of that binomial.
Okay.
And so we'll get a value
Value of
So-
what?
Of x.
Okay.
And then when we substitute it, we can say that gx is a factor of the polynomial given above.
If you get a value and then what you said?
We
Once-
substitute the x value, and then we can see if it is 0, then we can say that the binomial is a factor of the given polynomial above.
Correct. So this is a factor theorem.
Yes, sir.
So this is a factor theorem. That's
Yes,
what
sir.
I am telling. Yeah.
Okay. So
Now-
what I said was correct, right?
Yes. Now
Okay,
what
sir.
is remainder theorem?
Sir, when we take the gx value are equal to 0, so it becomes the multiple. No, the polynomial above is the multiple of the factor which we got x value.
No. You're telling the same thing in different, I mean, indirect, direct speech, same language, but in different form. When you replace the value of x in px, and if you find it is not equals to 0, and like suppose it is not, it is equals to 4 after replacing the value.
Yes, sir.
So this is 4 is the remainder. So this is
Okay.
known as remainder theorem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now, those who don't have any doubt, please write some factorization questions and start doing it. By the time I'll do for others.
Sir, I have doubt in the 23rd one.
Okay. A, B plus B, C. Who doesn't have any doubt? And they have done 2D completely? Any, those who don't have any doubt in 2D? Okay, you have doubt. Then take it. Then let me take doubts only. Okay, so I'll not give the question then. Then I will take first question, 22nd question. If Srinidhi, which question you have doubt? Srinidhi? Srinidhi has not joined. Then how 19? Deepika, Vidya, Radhika, Nishika, Lohiत. Ashita. 19, 18. Acha. Yeah, that's what. Which question you have doubt in 2D?
So me.
Yeah, Srinidhi.
No, sir, I don't have any doubts. I asked my doubt yesterday itself.
Okay, that was the. So, have you done factorization? Factorization, have you done the revision?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you a few questions. Quickly do this question.
Yes, sir.
These three you do it by the time. Okay, 20s. Write it down, Srinidhi.
Yes, sir.
So 25th question. The question is, if both x and y, x minus 2 and x minus 1 by, this is 22nd question I'm doing. If both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factors of px square plus 5x plus r, prove that p equals to r. Who have done this question? 22nd. Any one of you? Ashab, Srinidhi, anyone you have done? Deepika, Lohit, you all have done. Okay. So see, this is fx, and if these two both are the factors of this one, so we can say x minus 2 equals to 0. So x is equals to 0, 2. Now we'll replace this value in fx, that is f2 equals to p into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus r. This should be equals to 0. 4p plus 10 plus r equals to 0, or 4p plus r equals to minus 10. Any doubt? You have replaced two value in this. So 4p plus 10 plus r equals to 0, and this. Now we can, since this is also the factor, so x minus 1 by 2 equals to 0, x is equals to 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2, if we can replace 1 by 2, since it's a factor, so this will be 0. So we can say 1 by 2, sorry, p into 1 by 2 this square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus r equals to 0. P by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r equals to 0. P plus 10 plus 4r equals to 0. P plus 4r plus 10 equals to 0. This cross multiply with 0. So P plus 4r equals to minus 10. This is equation 2. This is equation 1. So what we have to prove? That P is equals to R. Correct. What is R here? Minus 10 minus 4P. Just hold on a second. Have I done any mistake? Question is P. Okay, x minus 2, we have replaced x is equals to 2, 2 to the 4p plus 5 to the 10 plus r, 4p plus r is equals to minus 10, correct. Now here, this one x is equal to 1 by 4, 3k plus 5 by 2 plus r equals to 0. So we have taken this one, p plus 10 plus 4 equals to 0. So p plus 4r plus 10 equals to 0. So minus t plus minus 4p minus 10 minus p. Okay, so 4p plus r equals to minus 10 and p plus 4r equals to minus 10. How can we find the value for this one? For this 16. Let's see.
Sir, why did you take the 4 outside?
Wait, let me finish it, then I will explain.
Sir,
Yes, yes, Fabio, tell me.
sir, can you scroll a little up?
I'll do it. Wait, let me first do this, finish it off.
Yes, sir.
And now, if we replace R there, minus 30 plus 10 minus 20 by 3 minus 5 by 3. P is equals to minus 5 by 3. What is coming this way? X is equal to x square plus 5x plus R. 4p.
So we can directly equate both the equations. I did it like that.
Okay. Yeah, this is minus 10 and this, both the equation we can replace it.
Yes, sir.
I mean equate it, yes.
So I did the 3 equations.
Okay. Wait, I'll just do it this one. So if this is 4p plus r equals to minus 10, this is first equation. Either we will equate and get it, or p may minus 10 minus 4r. Anyway, I'll just do this way as Deepika said. P plus 4r, both are minus 10. So we can equate it, 4p plus r. So this goes other side. P minus 3 minus 4p equals to r minus 4r. We can write it minus 3p equal to minus 3r. Okay, will not go that way. This way, this was little hectic. See, everyone, these two are factor of this. So we know that if we'll replace 2 in fx, that should be equals to 0. So x minus 2 equals to 0, x is equals to 2. Now this 2 we have to replace in fx. So p into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus r equals to 0. We got this equation. Similarly, x minus 1 by 2 equals to 0, x is equals to half. So we replaced half 1 by 2 in fx. P into 1 by 2 the square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus r equals to 0. So p by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r equals to 0. We took the LCM. P plus 10 plus 4r equals to 0. P plus 4r plus 10 equals to 0 after cross multiplying it. So p plus 4r equals to minus 10. So this equation and this equation equal minus 10 minus 10. So can we say that p plus 4r equals to 4p plus r. 4p plus r. So p, this comes here, minus 4p, this goes other side, r minus 4r. So minus 3p equal to minus r, p is equals to r. Is this clear?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Yes,
sir,
yes, Vidya.
sir, we can, sir, like I did it and I got same P is equal to R, but I took like P plus 4R to the P to the other side, so 4P minus P, and R to the other side, 4R minus R. So coming 3P equal to 3R for me.
What is the question then, Vidya? Your question?
No, sir, like you got minus 3P equal to minus 3R. So I got 3P
I got p
equal
is
to
equals
3.
to r.
Yeah, that even I got.
Oh, correct.
So it's correct.
Now next question is 22nd done. Then 25th, 26th.
So can you
25th.
scroll a little up?
Okay, okay. Write it down, everyone. Leave apart this. You don't write this.
Sir, in that factorization questions, can you
yes,
just say the what? Can you say the answer for the
yes,
second
yes.
one? I want to check whether my answer is correct. My
I gave you 3 questions, no?
Yes, sir. And that second one is 1 plus x plus y minus z.
No, no.
Plus,
The answer is 1 plus x into 1 plus y into 1 minus z. Is
yes,
this your answer?
yes, sir.
Okay. First
Thank
question answer is 2x minus 3 into
Into-
2x minus 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And third is x plus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question you take, factorization.
Okay, sir.
Only she should do this or.
Let her do. You all clear your doubt. Then later we'll do. Quickly do this. Others, have you written? Everyone has written this?
So can I just write down the question so that I could solve it
You
later?
will get Vidyut. Why you are so worried? You be worried what you have doubt. Everyone has written the solution?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shindy, have you written all 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Quickly do that one. Okay. Next is 26th question. Use the factor theorem to prove that x plus a is a factor of x to the power n plus a to the power n for odd positive integer n. Who all have done this question?
Sir, I have done.
Rashidi, except you. I'll get back to you. This is a factor of this with all positive integer of n. when n is an odd number? Who has done this? Okay. Okay. So to prove that this is a factor of this, what we have to do, first step, correct? So x is equals to minus a, correct? Now Sridhi, you come online. Srinidhi,
Yes, sir.
tell me, after I'll tell the solution to everyone, but I want to understand why they have written odd positive integer. I'll
So
tell.
because when we substitute the value x to the power n, we can write it as minus a to the power n. So if any base has a negative power, the result will be negative only. It will not be positive.
In which
So
case
for
it will
this,
be negative?
in this case, it will be the final answer will be like this: minus a to the power n plus a to the power n, and it will get cancelled.
No, my question is why they have written odd?
So they have written odd. That's what, because if the power is odd and then the base is negative, the result will be, the final answer will be negative only.
And what about even?
Even it will be positive.
Okay, that's why I wanted to listen. So see, others, this is your fx, x to the power n plus a to the power n. Now, according to our theory, what we are doing, we are supposed to replace this minus a in x. So minus a to the power n plus a to the power n. Correct? Do you agree? F to the power minus a is equals to this one. Do you agree? Okay. Now this is odd. So if I multiply this, what is the value, Tarun?
So minus a cube.
Minus a cube. If I multiply this, what will the value?
Minus a, a square.
A square. So when this is odd, so it is negative. When it is even, it is positive. Because minus into minus, even times it is positive, odd times it is negative. So here this is odd. They have specifically mentioned that n is odd. So this will be, can you write it as minus a to the power n plus a n. 0. Understood? Everyone?
Sir, I have done the 4 questions.
Okay, okay, I'll give you. Everyone done? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir.
Yes, Kaushal, come online. If you have understood, come online fast.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the value. Switch on your cam. Tell me the value when it is even. When the n is even, what will be the value? What will be f minus an? When n is even, what will be the value of f minus
Sir,
a?
be positive.
I want value, Kaushal. Positive, negative, I don't know. I want value. By the time others also keep ready with your answers, because I'll pick anyone.
So like how, sir?
How, sir? My question is f minus a. What is the value? When this is, when n is odd. I'm telling when n is even, then what will be the value? Yes, Srinidhi. Others, be ready with your answer. I'll pick anyone. Srinidhi, first answer. A plus c into b plus
B
x.
plus x. Okay.
Second answer, x plus 3 into x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Third answer, b plus 2c into 6a minus b.
Yes, sir.
Fourth answer, a minus b into a minus 1 into a minus b.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm sending you scan page. Yes.
So for the fourth answer, I got 1 minus a, b minus a.
1 minus a.
B minus A.
ठीक है. You are reversing both the side. That's okay. Yes, Shindy, I'll send you. In fact, I'll send to everyone now. But tell me, Kaushal, you're
So
gone.
it's not B minus A, it is minus B plus A.
No, she has done what? 1 minus a and b minus a. I'll tell you.
Okay, she has taken minus.
Both the sides she has taken minus common.
Yes.
Okay, that answer is also right.
Okay.
Yes, Kaushal, gone. Gone. Went gone. Very easy, na? Switch off the mic, camera, and nobody will hear you. Okay. Understood how much you have understand.
Sir, I'm not able to see the screen.
You have to log out and log in again. Now it will be Sanjana, switch on your cam.
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, yes, tell me the answer.
So the value will be positive.
Oh, that I don't know, Sanjana. Positive, negative, I don't know. Tell me the answer.
So I think it will not be minus A, it will be plus
Sanjana, I want answer. Shinidhi, I sent you a photo of the exercise which you are supposed to do. Quickly start doing that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Sanjana. Okay. So just now everyone said yes, understood. And now I'm picking and seeing how many of you understood. Switch off. Now it will be Ayush. Ayush. He is not hearing at all. Achha. Ritvi,
Yes, sir.
tell me answer.
So, so I think the answer is 2 into 2 into a to the power n.
Yes, that's the correct answer. Because minus a to the power n plus an, since it is even, so this will be an plus an equals to 2an. This is the right answer. Got it? 26. You will say yes, that is so.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir, in that question.
It's 26th question.
Yeah, the
tell
one
me.
which you told positive, sir. A to the power n plus a to the power n. Why can't it be a to the power n plus n, which is a to the power 2n?
Come again. Open your cam. Open your cam. Tell me.
Sir, I got what I was asking.
No. Tell me. Explain me what you are saying.
So no, I asked that a to the power n plus a to the power n. Why can't it be a to the power n plus n? Sir, I understood.
A to the power n plus.
Sir, I understood. Yes, sir.
Okay. Before, as soon as you open your cam, your doubt got cleared.
Sir, no, sir.
How it got cleared then? Why it can't be? Nitin, open your mic.
Yes, sir.
Why your answer is wrong? What you are telling is wrong. Why?
Sir, that is not the property, sir. A to the power n into a to the power n will be a to the power n plus n.
You remember the property?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, question 25th, somebody asked. What must be subtracted? Yes. Who all have done 25th question? Tell me. Anyone who has done 25th question? Lohit has raised his hand. Anybody else? Okay. 24th question, who all have done? 24th question. Vidyut, Deepika, Sanjana, Shyam, Malika. Others? I suppose everyone has done because nobody asked 24th question. So I can pick any one of you. and ask you to elaborate on this. Yes, Nidhi. 24th question nobody asked. That means everyone has done it. Nidhi,
Yeah.
come. Yeah, explain.
The 24th.
Yes, 24th.
Okay. So the question is what must be added to to 2x to the power 4 minus 5x to the power 3 plus 2x to the power 2 minus x minus 3 so that the result is exactly divisible by x minus 2. So x minus 2 is 0 and so x would come 2 and then we have to substitute the values there in like px. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and then minus it'll come minus 5. So minus 5 is the remainder. So we should
Explain like this. This is equals to minus 5. So what you will add, and since it is still, you have to make it 0. So what you will add so that
5.
it becomes 0.
5. Yeah.
Okay. So Lohit said he has done 25th question. Yes, Lohit, come online.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 26th, 5th question.
So
What must be subtracted in 2x to the 4 plus x3 exactly divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3. Yes.
Yeah, so when you divide both of them, you get a remainder as 2x plus 9. So like when you subtract that from x to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 3 minus 2x square plus 4x plus 6, then
You have to do it. You have to do it with remainder theorem.
Okay, remainder theorem. Yeah, so you can write it as x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0.
Okay.
Yeah, so it will be x square plus 2x is equal to 3, and then x square plus x is equal to 3 by 2.
X square plus x
Yeah.
is equals to 3 by 2. How? How?
So you take a 2 from the LHS.
But it is in plus. This is plus 2x.
Okay, so it will become minus 2.
So you want me to write like this? You want me to write like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then.
After that, sir, so 1 second. So writing this reminder theorem, I divided it.
You are supposed to do the remainder theorem. Yes. Navika, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, can we take the value of x square differently and x differently and then solve it?
No. No.
So we should factorize x square plus 2x minus 3.
Chalo, just do factorization. Tell me how to factorize.
Yes, sir. So it's x square plus...
Just so x square plus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. This you want me to do, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me.
So x square plus 3x minus x minus 3.
Next.
X into x plus 3 minus 1 into x plus 3. So it's x plus 3 and x minus 1. And then x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is also equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 1. So after that, I don't know what to do. After that, I didn't get what to do.
Achha. Anybody else who wants to nominate? Achha, Ritvi, tell me.
Sir, we should take gx as minus 3.
Gx as minus 3.
X minus 3 equals 0.
We have done it. X minus 3 equals to 0.
Sorry, x plus 3 equals 0. So x will become minus 3.
We have got it. This one.
Yes, sir. So fx is the polynomial given up. So we have to substitute value of minus 3 there.
Okay. Substitute minus 3 you are telling. Okay, I'll substitute there.
So then we should simplify it.
Sorry, 9 3 and 9 into the 80. Minus 12 plus 6. Tell me what is the value?
1 second, sir.
So 30, 84, 84 or plus 687. 3.
Yes, sir. After that, we should take gx 2 and x minus 1 equals 0. So x will equal 1. Again, we should substitute 1 with the polynomial given.
Okay, I'll substitute 1. And 4 plus again 2 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus what is the value here?
So then we should simplify it.
Plus 4 into 1 plus 6. 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 4 plus 6. That's 12. Then now?
So now we should equate it.
Which 12 equals to 3?
No, sir.
So it's 11, sir. It's 11.
So we should we should subtract 12 minus 3.
12?
12 minus 3.
12 minus 3.
Yes, sir.
So it is 9. Then?
And then we should subtract 9.
Why 12 minus 3? What is the logic of 12 minus 3? This is 11. This is 11.
No, sir.
This is 11.
Oh, okay. That's 11. Sorry.
So you're telling 11 minus 3. 8.
Yes, sir.
8. Then?
Yeah. So that means that we should subtract 8 from the above polynomial to make it exactly divisible by the gx value.
You do one thing. You subtract 8 and then through long division method see whether it is divisible or not.
Oh, okay, sir. I'll try.
Anybody wants to nominate for this question? To solve? Srinidhi, including you. Srinidhi.
Yes, sir. This is
25th question. Zabhavi, you can do?
Sir, I shall try.
Actually, I think
Your voice is not audible, Vaibhavi. Voice is not audible.
Sir, I got it.
You after subtracting?
No, sir. I did this wrong actually. Gx, we had to factorize. So we have to multiply 8 into 3 and then get it, I think.
You tell me the answer, Ritvi. Tell me the answer.
Okay,
yes,
sir.
Vaibhavi.
So we should multiply 11 into 3 because previously we took x plus 3 into x minus 1. So we should multiply 11 into 3.
So that
33
is 10 to
should be
6.
subtracted.
So it will be 33.
Yes, so 33 should be subtracted
No.
to get.
No. No. Except Srinidhi, anybody else wants to give a try? Try means, if you know, then only. Nobody. Yes, Srinidhi, what is your opinion on this question?
So, actually, I'm not sure what you have done till now.
Okay, your 25th question, you tell me. 25th question, I'll show you what we have done. This is 25th question, that gx, x squared plus 2x minus 3, we have factorized and we have found x plus 3 into x minus 3, and we have got x value as minus 3 and 1.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what to do, and why to do that also you have to explain why you are doing it.
Sir, actually, I have done by long division method.
No, Srinidhi, long division everyone can do. No.
Yes, sir. Because in the textbook the answer was given in variables.
Long division so you can do, and everyone will get the answer. It is not with long division method you are supposed to do. You are doing remainder theorem and factor theorem. You are supposed to do with remainder theorem and factor theorem. Have you done with that?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, then let me try. Till factorization, is it clear, or anybody needs help in how we did factorization x plus 3 and x minus 3? Please tell me. If you want factorization, I will start from factorization. Okay, nobody wants. Okay, good. So till factorization is over. Now first I will do long division method. So quickly, Lohit, come. You said you have done with long division, no?
Yes, sir.
Help me do with long division. So x square, x to the power 4
yes,
plus 2x cube minus 3x square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes,
this
sir.
gone, this gone, this gone, this gone. So x square plus 4x
Plus 6.
Plus 6. Now 1. X square plus 2x minus 3. So what is left out? This is the remainder. What next I have to multiply? What next I have to multiply?
The answer is 2x plus 9.
No. Who said
the
answer
remainder.
is
The
this?
remainder.
Why this is the answer? Can't we multiply with the same way and go ahead? Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Can we multiply with some other factor to go ahead? Like this, we did x square, then we have 1. Wait, I am talking to Lohit. Wait a second. Wait a second.
So the remainder is 2x plus 9.
Why this is the remainder? That is my question. Why this is the remainder? Why you are telling? I would have told this is the remainder. When you are telling this is the remainder, I'll tell this is the remainder. X square plus 4x plus 6.
Yes, sir. So because you can't go more further.
Why? Why?
Sir.
Okay,
so if you go more.
Yeah, tell me, Lohit.
So if you go more further, you won't get the proper answer, sir.
What is that proper answer, Lohit? I'll say I'll divide it by 1 by x, or I will divide it by plus 1 by x.
So because it's written as like x square is written. like x square plus 2x minus 3.
Huh.
So x square you can't what do you multiply with x square to get 2x?
I'll multiply with 1 by x. 1 by 2 by x. Yes, Srinidhi, you were saying something now.
So actually the -3 sign should change. It should be +9.
Yeah, it will be
Okay.
2x plus 2x plus 9.
Okay, ठीक है now. Now tell me.
So the first term of the divisor is x square, and since there is no x square in the remainder, in 2x plus 9 there is no x square term. We usually divide by seeing whether the first term is divisible by x square or not. Like that only we usually divide.
ठीक है, Lohit is also correct. You are also correct. This is not a polynomial. 2 by x is not a polynomial. So this, it should be equal to or less than the degree of this. Same thing, you will tell the sir is telling the same thing only. Yes, your answer is correct. This here, the degree of this should be less than or equal to the degree of this polynomial, and 2 by x is not a polynomial which you can multiply. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so this is the remainder, and we stopped here. As soon as we got x, that is 1 degree, we stopped here. And
Yes,
we concluded that this is the remainder, because this degree of this is 1 and degree of this is 2. So now going back to the question. This is very important. This is very important. Now going back to the question. So, okay, I'll write it. I'll rewrite it here. So the question says 2x to the power 4 minus 5 cube plus 2x square minus x minus 3. No, sorry. I have written some other question. No, ठीक है तो 24th we are doing ना? नहीं 25th we are doing, sorry. X to the power 4 plus 2x to the power cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 6. This is fx. And gx, so you have already done it. X square plus 2x minus 3. Correct? Now we have to write fx in this way. Remember this. This is 2 and here it is 1. So we have to make it this way. What we have to add it. A, B. Subtract it.
Sir, I didn't get it.
So what we are doing it, x, this is, what is degree? Degree 2. What is here degree? Degree 4. So we have to see x where it starts from x. This in this polynomial where it starts from x. 4x plus 6. Correct. So in this 4x plus 6, what you are supposed to do? You have to take a coefficient a and b. You have to take a coefficient a and b and you have to write it like this. 4 minus a x plus 6 minus b. Why we are doing here? Why not we are doing here? Because in denominator this is 2 degree and from 1 degree remainder will start as we did here. So in 1 degree you have to write 4 minus a and 6 minus b. Is it clear this step?
So why are we taking two variables? Like why what is the need
Because
of-
we don't know, Srinidhi, what will be subtracted here and what will be subtracted here. This will become one. At the end you will come to know why we are taking. If I'll write it as 4 minus a and 6 minus a, you will say, sir, why both side a? Why both side a?
No, sir. My question is, why do we need to have two variables? We can just write 4 minus a into 6. There is no need to subtract from 6, right?
We have to, because this will come.
So can you explain it once more?
So
Again,
in the
I'm
last
telling.
term, if in the last term there is no need to subtract, the b will be equal to 0.
Yes, yeah, b will be. It will come. It will come. Once you will do, then you will find okay. B has come as 9. This will come as 9. 6 minus b will come as 9. You'll see. Again, I am repeating. Write fx x to the power 4 plus 2 x to the power cube minus 2x to the power square plus 4x plus 6. Gx is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Correct? Now, through remainder theorem, we have to find what we have to subtract so that it becomes a perfect, it becomes a factor of this. That means when you will substitute this value, you have to get 0. So what we did, x square, x to the power 4 plus 2 x to the power cube minus 2 x to the power square plus 4 minus a. Why 4 minus a? Because here when it will be x, then that is the remainder. When you are finding anything x, that will be the remainder. So we are doing it 4 minus a and 6 minus b. Not clear? Why we are doing it with this factor 4 minus a? Why not here? Is this point clear or not?
So could you explain one last time?
Okay, how to that's why I did this long division method. This question would have come to you, why here, why not here? Just to show that if remainder is in x and constant, x means x to the power 1 only, then that will be the remainder. So that's why we are doing it here. So how to explain this thing? Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll take another question, little better question. Maybe that question will give you better clarity. 4x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 3 minus 6x to the power 2 plus 2x plus 6. And gx is 2x to the power 2 plus x minus 1. This is fx. This is gx. What you have to subtract in this so that this becomes a factor of this. So first step is, yes, Nachiket, what is happening? We'll equate with 0. Once you will factorize it, it will become x plus 1 into 2x minus 1. How? That 2x square plus 2x square plus 2x minus x minus 1 equals to 0. 2x x plus 1 plus x 2x x plus 1 plus 1 2x x plus 1 minus 1 x plus 1 equals to 0. X plus 1 into 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Got it? Now x plus 1 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 1. 2x minus 1 equals to 0. X is equals to 1 by 2. Is it clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So now, next thing is you have got the value of x. Now, what we are supposed to do, you have to fx is 4x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 3 minus 6x square plus 2x plus 6. Now, why we are doing it here? We can write it like this. If the remainder comes, it will be in the form of x plus constant. Do you agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can we write it 2 minus a? What we have to subtract from here only? 6 minus b. Can we write it like this? Why we are writing here? Because it will come in the form of x plus constant. That's why we are doing it here.
Sir, why 2 minus a? Why not 2 plus a?
Because we are supposed to subtract it. The question is what must be subtracted.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? This point is clear to you? Any doubt? Why we are doing with x and constant? Why we are subtracting a and b? So now then we will replace. First we will replace minus 1. 4 minus plus minus. It will become into minus 1, right? And 6 minus b. Is it clear? Okay. 4 minus plus 2 here plus minus 6, and this will become minus 2 minus a plus 6 minus b. This one minus 2 plus a plus 6 minus b should be equals to
0.
0. So a minus b, how can you write a minus b?
Minus
equal to
4.
minus.
Minus 4, correct?
Yes.
Now half will substitute. This is one equation 1. Now we'll substitute half. So f half 4 into 4 minus 2 3 minus 6 square plus 2 minus a 1 by 2 plus 6 minus b. Tell me. Do it and tell me. 4 by 4, 16. Plus
So 4 by 16, 2 by 8 will get cancelled. 4 by 16, I mean.
this 2 and 8, this 2 will get cancelled. Now minus 3 by 2 plus 2 minus a by 2 plus 6 minus b equals to 0. Now tell me. So 12, this one minus 1, 11. So minus a plus 11 minus 2b equals to 0. So minus a minus 2b equals to minus 11, or a plus 2b equals to
11.
11.
Yes, sir.
This is equation 2. Can you find the value of a, b here with equation 1 and 2?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So a minus b.
So b is 5 and
Is
minus 5, a minus 5.
1.
1.
I'm very afraid of asking you, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Sir, some part of it I didn't get it.
Which
But
part?
I think when we like practice more sums, I'll get it.
Because that's why I have not done that question. I have done some other
Okay.
question.
Yes,
Because
sir.
you have already factorized, so a new question I have done. So I'll summarize it again. Please listen. This is the question fx and this is gx. You know how to factorize, and you got x plus 1 into 2x minus 1. Correct? And then you found the value of x equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. Only thing you have to remember here, when it is x, then you have to make 2 minus a and 6 minus b. Okay. What happened? Hello, are you getting it? This point is very important. Nobody is telling.
Sir, I'm getting it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, understood, sir.
2 minus say x. This x, why we have coefficient of x, we have subtracted 2 minus a, because that's why I did long division method and show you why x, if x remains as a a remainder, then you cannot go further. That's why here 2 minus a and 6 minus b. And then you have to substitute the value, find the value of a and b. You got b is 5, a is 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You, that question you do it by yourself, and then we will we'll continue. Okay. You, that
So,
question tell me.
So now the question is what?
Your voice is not audible, Srinidhi. Hello. Anyway, she's not audible. That question I have left you for you to do it by this method. Am I audible to others?